Hey beauties, today I've got some super cute nail art ideas for you, from cozy autumn vibes to a little Halloween magic. Stick around till the end and let me know which design is your favorite. Don't forget to hit like if you love nail art as much as I do. Starting with a white nail and adding a matte top coat for a smooth base. Now I'm using simple eyeshadow to create a soft autumn background. Super easy, right? Let's seal the background with a top coat. Don't forget this step. Time to bring our little fox to life. I'm painting the body with bright orange gel. If you love foxes, drop me a heart in the comments. Adding those fluffy white details to the chest and face. So cute already. I'm finishing the face with black gel, tiny nose, sweet eyes, and ears. A bit of shadow with jelly gels add more depth. I'm even highlighting the forehead for extra cuteness. A few autumn leaves above the fox, because what's fall without leaves? And finally, sealing with a top coat and adding golden glitter for that magical sparkle. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cozy nail art. On a black nail, let's start drawing our spider web, just a few crossing lines to begin with. Right at the center, I'm painting a white heart, so cute. Now I'm completing the spider web all around the heart. It looks spooky but adorable. Time for a little ghost. I'm painting a tiny white ghost near the bottom. Super fun for Halloween. And on the tip, let's balance it out with a sweet little flower. Seal everything with a glossy top coat. For the hearts, I'm applying pink gel, sprinkling shimmer powder on top, then cure it, and now we've got a velvet heart. Doing the same with our ghost. Another layer of white gel, shimmer powder, cure it, and now we have a fuzzy velvet ghost. So fun! With a dotting tool and black gel, I'm giving our ghost tiny eyes and a little mouth. Adorable, right? And finally, I'm placing a crystal in the flower center for that extra sparkle. And that's it, a super cute Halloween nail design. Comment below if you'd wear this. Starting with a silver cat eye gel on a white nail, this gives us that magical shimmer base. Before curing, I'm playing with the magnet to get the sparkle just right. Now, let's sketch our autumn girl from the back. First her hair, then her scarf, and of course her cozy coat. Adding tiny details like her strand and folds in the scarf. Little touches that make her look so real. Would you try this design yourself? Comment below. Sealing with a matte top coat because we need a smooth surface for watercolor painting. Here comes the autumn vibe, painting soft watercolor leaves all around her. I'm mixing yellow, red, and orange for that cozy fall feeling. Glossy top coat to lock those watercolor leaves in place. Using a liner brush to add fine little veins on each leaf. I love how this brings them to life. And finally, a shiny top coat to finish everything off. So glossy, so autumn. If you love this cozy fall design, make sure to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas. Let's start with an orange base and blend the burgundy ombre at the top. Super perfect for fall. Now I'm adding silver cat eye gel and pulling the sparkle upwards with a magnet. I love that shimmer. Using a sponge tip and yellow gel, I'm creating a glowing sun right in the center. Dab twice for a brighter look. Time to paint some spooky trees at the tip. I'm using a liner brush to draw thin branches reaching up. Right in the middle of the sun, I'm adding our little star, a cute owl sitting on a branch. Would you wear this for Halloween or fall? Tell me in the comments. Completing the trees at the tip and softening the look with a touch of shimmer. This makes the design more magical. Adding a super thin glossy layer at the top to give the nail more depth. Now with the dotting tool, I'm giving our owl two big bright eyes. And finally, sealing everything with a glossy top coat for that perfect shine. Don't forget to subscribe for more cozy nail art ideas. Starting with a nude base, I'm blending in a soft brown ombre on top. Don't cure it yet. Now with darker brown and black gel, I'm creating a wood texture using brush strokes. So chic, right? If you love this background, hit that like button. Sealing with a glossy top coat to lock our base. While it's still tacky, I'm rubbing in chrome. This makes it shine like polished wood. One more glossy coat to seal everything in place. Time to sketch our leaf with white gel. Now I'm filling the leaf with silver Qatar gel and using a magnet to bring out that glow. With a fine liner brush, I'm adding the veins inside the leaf for more detail. Here comes the autumn magic, coloring the leaf with glass gels in yellow, orange, and green, so vibrant and cozy. Adding a bit of shading underneath the leaf to give depth and make it pop. I'm finishing with a glossy top coat. If you like this fall design, let me know in the comments. Let's start with a cute milky white base. Now dab a little white with a sponge, super soft and dreamy. While the surface is sticky, I'm rubbing some pigment powder. On the other side, I'm shading with white eyeshadow, quick, simple, and so effective. Time to seal everything with a matte top coat so our background is ready for action. Here comes the fun part. I'm drawing two creepy little hands, spooky but cute, right? Now I'm rubbing a soft layer of eyeshadow just over the hands, gives that misty, foggy effect. Another quick layer of matte top because we always want to lock each step. Let's add a spider web and of course a little spider. It's Halloween, we need them. Glossy top coat time, and before curing, I'm placing a crystal right in the middle of the web, so chic. And to finish, I'm adding tiny silver gel dots at each crossing point, extra sparkle, extra drama. Don't forget to hit that like button if you love this design.